In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a blow motor on a Honda CR-V. It is located underneath the right side of the dashboard. Here we are underneath the right side of the dash. You're going to have two 8mm screws for here and there. That's for your glove box door. You want to push these two pieces together like this and pull down. And this tab here, you want to push forward like that, unlock it, take your glove box and put it off to the side. After you remove your glove box door, there's a piece of trim that comes straight down here. Take your trim tool, push straight down, right across, and then pull it out. This is your wiring for your blow motor. It has a clip here. You want to push that in and pull down on the wiring. This is your plug that was plugged into the blow motor. This is the tab I was talking to you about. Just push that tab and pull down. But now is a good time to check your wiring and your connectors. Make sure it's not melted or corroded, which this one is good. Now you have three mounting screws. They're 8mm screws you need to take out. Here, here, and here. Then your blow motor will just drop straight down. Take your new blow motor, slide it straight up, and line up your tabs. There we go. Now you can start your screws. If you tighten one, it will hold the blow motor up for you so you don't have to hold it and install your screws. Now you can take your wiring and your plug and plug your motor in. Wait for the click. At this point, you want to test your blow motor, make sure your motor works and there's no funny noises. Before you install your trim piece, you have two plastic pieces here and here. They go into the holes there and there first. Then go straight up. Line up your clips and clip it in. Now you can take your glove box door, install it on the top first. Make sure those two tabs are on the inside of the dash. Take your clip, go back into your glove box door, pull towards you, wait for the click. Install your glove box and latch it. And now you can do your two screws on the bottom. Once we get everything together, just make sure your glove box folds down and holds and latches correctly, and now you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.